Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is a new system I installed on my heli to level the tray for the RX tray. I'll try and get this in the light here. See the springs at the front here, and here. Then at the back, also got one spring in there. So essentially the RX tray is now on 3 springs, which are all adjustable. So essentially I can tilt the plate left, right, back or forward at will. And then RX itself is, let me put that on the table here. RX itself is stiff on there. It's just using molding, so it's very stiff on there. You can see the plate is bending rather than the foam moving. If I try to move this, the plate's moving on the springs because the foam is not really a foam anymore now. It's just really stiff molding tape on there. I had to use more than one layer to even out because there are some components underneath the RX that wouldn't sit properly. So that's that. Now what I'm going to do today is simple. I'm going to show you the helicopter in flight, and I'm going to show you how turning the screw on these adjustment screw will very easily create a drift left or right. Don't worry, I am not going to try to show you hands-off hovering today, but I will take my hands off the transmitter to show you how it drifts heavily on one side if I use the adjustment screw, or heavily on the other side if I use the adjustment screw the other way, and how I can basically make it fly nice and steady if I have it set properly. So this is video 1 of 2 videos that I will do today to film this. I can't do it all on one video because I use an iPhone 4 to do this, and gotta love how they got it set up. But if you film more than about 6.5 minutes on the iPhone, you can't take the file out of the phone. So I'm going to stop this now, start a second video, and show you how the adjustment on the receiver tray works to essentially level the swash plate and get the heli to fly nice and steady in 6-axis. Stay tuned.